Hello and welcome to the Webcast for Monday, November 11th. I'm South Ops meteorologist Jonathan O'Brien. Visible satellite this morning shows we have changes on the way in the form of a cold front that's moving into the region. A band of cloud cover is overspreading central California, and it will continue to push south and east through the day, leading to increasing clouds in many areas. A look at our radar shows that there is quite a bit of precipitation activity with this system as well, with a soaking rainfall in progress over much of Northern California, and showers now beginning to overspread Central California as well. That will be the theme as we go through the rest of today and tonight. Here's a look from our high-resolution model at what the radar may look like as we go through the rest of today and tonight. As often seems the case, the precipitation is going to lose steam as it tries to push southward. Showers will overspread all of Central California through today, but then become more scattered to isolated as they push into Southern California tonight, and then will dry things out tomorrow. Here's a look at expected rainfall totals with this storm. And while we're not getting much over Southern California, totals have actually been trending up, with many Sierra locations likely to receive a half inch to an inch of rainfall. The remainder of Central California will see about a tenth to a third of an inch of rainfall, but most of Southern California will see only a tenth of an inch or less. The snow level will be between 6,000 and 7,000 feet, and several inches to a foot of new snow are likely above 7,000 feet in the Sierra. Temperatures will cool to near or a little below normal today and Tuesday, with upper 40s and 50s across the lower mountains and mid-60s to mid-70s in the valleys. Here are the forecast highs for today. Humidity is going to be very location-dependent the next couple of days. Minimum humidity will remain quite low, but increase slightly to between 15 and 30% over Southern California today and Tuesday, but it will be much higher over a lot of Central California. Here's a look at the min-RH values for today. Southwest to northwest winds of 20 to 40 miles per hour with gusts to 60 miles per hour will surface across the wind-prone mountain ridges and desert passes through tonight. However, associated RH values will be on the high side. As we head into tonight and Tuesday as the trough departs, winds will shift more northerly, leading to gusty north winds in areas such as Santa Barbara County and the Grapevine Corridor. RH values will initially be quite high with these winds also, but will gradually lower to around 15 to 30% on Tuesday. This could bring a period of some locally elevated fire weather conditions on Tuesday, though it does not look to be a big deal overall given the cool and moist conditions preceding it. A weak ridge of high pressure and the light offshore flow will bring some midweek warming, getting temperatures back up to near or slightly above normal. Here's a look at Wednesday's forecast highs. There will also be some slight downward trends in the RHs. However, the pattern remains unsettled. In fact, it's really a relentless troughing pattern that we've gotten into that has been keeping our temperatures so persistently below average. And another, even colder storm will affect the region late this week as the next deep trough pushes in. Scattered showers and thunderstorms will affect the entire region from Thursday evening all the way through Saturday as that slow-moving storm pushes through. And it is a very cold storm, especially for this early in the season. The snow level will drop all the way down to 4,000 to 5,000 feet. However, accumulations still don't look overly impressive with that storm. While it will likely be a more widespread precipitation event than other storms so far this year, early indications are for mainly half an inch or less of rainfall, but locally higher in the mountains, and still some potential for change given it is several days away. One thing that's very likely, however, is that the coldest air of the season will overspread the region late this week, with temperatures plummeting 10 to 20 degrees below normal from Friday through the weekend. Take a look at these forecast highs by Saturday, with valley highs only in the 50s to low 60s. As you might expect, large fire potential will be low this week due to the cool and moist conditions. There may also be some good windows for RX burning, but it will as always be location dependent, with some Sierra areas getting quite a bit of rain and snow in the next 24 hours. Dead fuel moistures will be on rising trends this week, becoming above normal pretty much everywhere. Expect light initial attack activity to continue through the forecast period. While fire potential is low this week, we're still waiting on a true knockout punch to Southern California's fire season, and while this week will help, it's still less likely than not that this will be the week that does it. But we'll see what happens with that second storm and if we can get rain amounts to trend up. That's it for today's webcast. Thanks for joining us. The next one will be on Tuesday, November 12th.